Hi, this is Dave Aquino with Microquant, and this is the free video for Wednesday, April 8th, 2015. I am happy to bring you some of the trading we've done in our trading room today, and we're looking at the SPY, the S&P 500 index. Now, I'm looking at specifically the intraday time frame, because you know that the FOMC minutes are being announced today at 2 o'clock. So majority of the time, the markets are fairly well contained and not really making breakout trades either way. Now, in the trading room, we try to make money every day. That's kind of our goal. And it's a lot of fun to trade that way. And what we've done, I've created a workshop called Everyday Profits. And I want to show you how I apply it to the SPY. Okay, so this is the start of the trading day. And we actually start with a small gap up and we run higher for the duration of the opening range. Now, at the close of the opening range, we actually identify the top and the bottom prices, and we watch how the trading proceeds from that point on. We also, for good measure, put the middle of the opening range box. That's what this blue box is. And then we go ahead and proceed to trade it. So not only do we see this nice run up, but we're already looking for a pullback trade. We get that triple top here, head and shoulders pattern, and we have a pullback right to the 208 level. And we get this little bounce and then a break of this middle of the opening range level. Now in our workshop, we know that once that gets broken, there's a very good chance we're going to go to the low of the opening range box. We break, we look for a turnaround pattern, and then we make a run back up. Where do we run back to? Right there, the middle of the opening range. Now we get a little bit of chop because we are later on into the morning, and right now during the lunch period, we're not going anywhere. But where are we sticking to? Right in the middle of the opening range. Now looking at the return today, we're only up 0.25% in the S&P 500 index. Most people would look at that and say, hey, the markets are not moving today, mainly because of the FOMC minute release. But guess what? We had the opportunity to make a couple of retracement trades. This pullback trade here, and then if you held on, continuation to the bottom, and then from this bottom, a move back to the middle. There are two high-quality moves that you could have taken in the SPY or the ES if you want to trade the futures. Two high-quality moves that you could have traded just today on a day the markets, quote, are not really moving. So these are things that you can learn in our Everyday Profits workshop. Here is the information that I have on it. And it's basically your go-to guideline to making daily profits in the market. It's really neat. It's a 3-hour workshop. It's on demand, available now. I've made all 144 slides available to you by PDF. I want you to pay particular attention to the last 12. That is a step-by-step 1, 2, 3 guide, and based on time. So pre-market is the first slide. Once your market opens, flip the page. For the next 20 minutes, you look at this. After that first 20 minutes, you flip the page. Next 20 minutes or 30 minutes or an hour, whatever it be, it'll tell you exactly what to look for and what to expect. Okay, how to handle particular situations. That, I think, is probably, other than the information, the most valuable part of this workshop. So right now, we are considering this workshop. Well, the price of the workshop is $297. This is a trading room special that I offered to my traders today. I'll give it to you guys now because you're looking at the free video. You go to valuecharts.com/day and you will come to a page that exactly shows you the $197 price. If you have any questions on it, feel free to email our support manager, Min, at support@microquant.com. So thanks for trading with me, and I look forward to hearing good things about your profitability trading everyday profits.